That is a deeply satisfying taco. Fusion food at its best. And those are my Korean Mexican pork tacos.
Soju is Korea's national spirit. It's inexpensive, and more soju is sold in Korea than whiskey worldwide. Now, some artisan soju makers are turning back to traditional distilling methods to make a more refined soju. Lucia Cho's company, Hwayo, exports their soju to some of the world's top cocktail bars. So what goes into your soju?
It's very natural and organic. We only use 2 ingredients, rice and water. So actually we're going to taste different ways using cocktails.
That's okay. I can do it myself.